Thank you for using Draw My California Community. In this video, we will review how to submit your community to the California Citizens Redistricting Commission. When you have finished describing your community and drawing it on the map, you are ready to send your community directly to the Commission. Click the Submit button at the bottom left of the screen. If you want to make any final changes to your map, click the Cancel button to go back to finish drawing. If you're ready to send your community to the Commission, click Review and Submit. At the Review and Submit panel, you'll have one last opportunity to edit the written description of your community before sending it to the Commission. At the Review and Submit panel, you will be asked if the Commission can contact you if they have any follow-up questions about your community. If you'd like, please include an email and a phone number where you can be reached. This information will not be shared with anyone else. Once you are done, click Submit. Congratulations! Your community will be sent directly to the California Citizens Redistricting Commission. To learn more about using Draw My California Community, check out our user guide by clicking the link below. Thank you for your participation.